Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So for many people, comfort is the top priority when it comes to a set of true wireless earbuds. Because ultimately, specs, features, and overall performance don't really matter if a pair of earbuds are a pain to wear. With this in mind, HAYLOU designed the GT6 semi-in-ear wireless earbuds. With the GT6, it is giving a secure and less intrusive fit, and at the same time, it is giving a great sound quality and also its call quality. They are available in Shopee.ph for just less than 1,000 pesos or just under 20 USD. So let's go ahead and check this out, starting with the charging case. The GT6 Compact Charging Case is a squarish clamshell type case with smooth edges, and the finishing is a combination of muted or matte black and some polished glossy finish inside. The logo is located on top of the lid. It becomes more visible when the light hits the glossy finish, giving it a discreet branding, a bit of class, and not being too evasive. By the way, the lid is magnetized, so that's a plus for me. It gives extra protection and security for the earbuds itself. You will not worry about your earbuds falling out from the case. Portability is not going to be an issue, obviously. The dimension of the case is approximately 50mm by 50mm by 20mm. That's width, length, and height. It fits perfectly on the palm of your hands, and this can easily slide right in your pocket. And on top of that, it is extremely lightweight. The matte black finish goes all the way around the case, and it is easy to grip. In front of the case, you have a single LED light indicator to help you see if it is charging. On the right side of the case, you can find your USB Type-C charging port. By the way, the red light indicator will auto turn off once the charging case is fully charged. Once you open up the case, you can see the GT6 earbuds inside. If you remove the earbuds, you can immediately see or notice the glossy finish depressions on the lid and on the earbuds pods. And on the bottom of the pods, you can see the two little copper charging rods. The earbuds are also magnetized on the charging pods, giving it additional safety and security for the earbuds. With this, you don't have to worry about your earbuds falling, plus the magnets are very strong. As you can see from my regular shake to extreme shaking, in the extreme shaking, you can hear that the earbuds are trying to get loose, but the magnets are just pulling them back to their place. The battery capacity of the charging case is 310 milliamps, and its charging time is around 2 hours. The approximate battery life is around 20.5 hours. The battery life is lithium-ion, and it uses Type-C cable and Type-C charging port. By the way, the GT6 comes also in white. Moving on to the earbuds, as you can see, you have that long stem design. You can see the HAYLOU branding featured on the touch surface. The touch-sensitive controls gives you several tapping functions such as short press for pause and play, double-click right to skip track forward, double-click left to turn on and off the low latency mode when playing games, short press to answer and end a phone call, triple-click to summon voice assistant when on standby. The earbuds will power on automatically once you remove it from the case, but if you return it to the charging case, it will automatically be turned off. On the top of the stem, there is an LED indicator, and on the lower side on the back, you can see the copper charging contacts, and on the bottom of the stem is where the mic is. A large part of these earbuds being comfortable has to be with its ear tips. The ear tips are a bit shallow, and its cone shape will give less pressure to the ear and also provides better sound experience. So, the GT6 earbuds are running on Bluetooth 5.2. It uses AAC audio decoding to capture every sound detail. Each earbud weighs around 3.9 grams. Its dynamic drivers are 12mm in diameter. Each earbud has 35 milliamp batteries inside. The battery life is around 5.5 hours plus 15 hours when recharging from a fully charged charging case. The charging time of the earbuds is also around 1.5 hours. And if you plan to use it just for calls, the talk time is around 4 hours when fully charged. And for the gamers, in gaming, the GT6 has 65 ms low latency, and in full link latency, it has around 94 ms. Just double tap the left earbud to activate low latency mode when the earbuds are connected. The GT6 also supports mono and stereo modes. The HAYLOU GT6 has dual channel and single channel chips. So when it comes to the fit, the overall shape and size fits in nicely inside the groove of your ear. And those cone-shaped ear tips doesn't give you that closed-in feeling that you tend to get in other earbuds. Instead, they just tend to rest in your ears, giving you a comfortable fit, but you are getting a slight seal which in turn will give you that audio quality. At the same time, these earbuds are also very secure, so activities like hitting the gym, jogging in your neighborhood, or even playing basketball won't be a problem. And since the ear tips aren't completely sealing off your ears, you'll still be able to hear really good amount of your ambient sounds. When it comes to the default sound settings of the GT6, so treble and clarity is definitely present with this. In terms of bass, you're getting a nice punch, so the bass doesn't come off as lacking. But these are definitely not bass head earbuds, which is no surprise because it's challenging to give you that deep booming bass without a complete seal. Overall, I like the sound quality of the GT6, especially when I'm watching Netflix movies or watching my favorite artists' music videos. For this price point, don't expect any app to customize your settings. If you are interested in grabbing a pair plus accessories, there are links below on the description box. Also, if you find this video to be helpful, go down and click the thumbs up. And if you're not yet a subscriber of UpStreamCharlie, then you know what you need to do. You can also follow me on Facebook at UpStreamCharlie to stay updated on all the reviews that I have coming up. So with that, see you on the next video and see you on the next review. Ciao! Bye-bye!